In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel and refund orders on Shopify. Let's start right from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of sections like Home, Products, Customers, and so on. What you want to click on is Orders. This is where all the orders for your store are listed, both open and completed. Take a moment to scan through the list and find the specific order you want to cancel. You can use the search bar at the top if you know the order number or the customer's name. Once you've found the correct order, click on it to open the order details page. Inside the order page, you'll see information like the customer's details, the items they purchased, payment and fulfillment status, and any notes attached to the order. Now, look towards the top right corner of this page. You should see a button or link labeled More Actions. Click on that, and a small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose Cancel Order. This is what starts the cancellation and refund process. When you click Cancel Order, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This window is important because it lets you control exactly how the cancellation is handled. First, you'll need to choose how you want to refund the payment. Usually, you'll see options like refunding to the original payment method, issuing store credit, or choosing to handle the refund later. If you want the customer to get their money back the same way they paid, select the original payment method. If you prefer to offer store credit instead, choose that option. Next, you'll be asked to select a reason for the cancellation. Common options include the customer changing or canceling their order, a declined payment, a fraudulent order, items being unavailable, a staff error, or another custom reason. Pick the one that best matches the situation. This helps keep your records clear for future reference and reporting. You'll also see a field where you can leave a staff note. This is optional, but it's a good habit to quickly explain what happened, especially if you work with a team. Below that, you'll find checkboxes to restock inventory and to send a notification to the customer. In most cases, it's best to leave both of these checked, so your stock levels stay accurate and the customer is clearly informed about the cancellation and refund. Once you've reviewed everything and you're sure the details are correct, go to the bottom right of the pop-up and click Cancel Order to confirm. Shopify will process the cancellation, apply the refund option you selected, and update the order status accordingly.